In recycling GUI, in the recycling GUI method, actually it sets the interface for the main recycling GUI. The size is set at by 400 by 100, and it has this exit on close operation. Here the buttons are added to the panel, and the background of each button is set with a color, like button can is set with a background color of pink, and button bottle with a background color of orange, and so far. And for each button, an action listener is set. Like as usual, we have set an action listener method for each buttons. Like for example, if you take button can, an action listener is set to the button can, an external listener, which was my customer panel dot item received 1, and so every time when we click on button can, the item the item 1 that we have classified on deposit item receiver will be generated. In addition, the set all the text areas and all the text areas and their properties has been implemented. Scroll bars for the main interface is implemented. The progress bar is implemented here, and the set string painted that is given true. And then the panel background is given as black, and the panel has been added, and the frame is ready to use, that is get content pane dot add panel has been added, and it is set to use. And then we will go to the main method. Here in the main method, recycling GUI, my GUI equals new recycling GUI, and this my GUI is set visible to true, that is displaying the GUI. Then we can go to the next method, that is print method. Here actually this is the printer interface implementation. What it does is the system out print lnstr. This prints whatever added to the recycling machine to the console of the Eclipse, and it text area set text str, it prints in the GUI. And console text is printing in the console, and in this if statement, it calls the calculate percentage method from the customer panel class, and if it is less than 100, we can set the value of the progress bar, and the value is set from the method calculate percentage in the my customer panel class. That calculate percentage method is called in the my customer panel class, and that percentage value will be displayed in the progress bar if it is less than 100. However, if the value is larger than 100, if it is exceeding, then the progress bar value should be set to 100, and it should display a message that is a machine full message. So here the value of the progress bar is set to the value of the progress bar is set to 100, and it displays a string of message machine full, and all the other buttons are have been made invisible. and the only the button empty button will be visible.